HTML series for beginners. In previous video, we have seen some tags of HTML. Today we will see styling tag. So what is a style tag? Style tag is nothing but style tag is used for styling format text. So for styling a text, you have to use style tag. I will show you how to use it. Adding a HTML title page main body. So simply first write h1, use h1 tag. In h1 tag write some text. So I am magical. I am writing this text. You can write any other else. Okay. So save it and open your browser and run it. You can see it's a simple text written in h1 format. Okay. Now to style this text. How to use style tag? I will show you in h1 tag in a open tag. Use some space and type style. After style, equal shift plus quotation and quotation. Write color color. See the spelling of color color, not color. It is HTML format. In HTML format, color is written like this. And then is give color as pink, not red. Okay, save this file and alt tab. And you can see this. I am a magical literature. Text is color is changed. Okay. Now background. How to change the background color? Okay. Background color pink. Save it. Alt tab. For your Firefox, you can see I am magical and the background is changed. Okay. Now how to change? Okay, background color is changed, but I have to change my color format of this text. Okay, this color I am magical literature. I want to make as a red. So how to use this property simultaneously? So give a semicolon after background contain property. So write color and colon and red. Save alt tab. The shortcut. Okay, now you can see this. Both the properties works. It is a color and it is a background. Both are changed. So you can use any properties of the styling by giving after property a semicolon. Okay. Now the fourth property I will now one more property, font size. What is the font size? I will show you. I will give it as a 50 pixel. Okay, save it. Open browser. Press it. Now it is a very big thing. Make it 100 pixels. Save it. Go to the tab. Okay, so font size. It is a property to make your text size bigger or smaller. Okay, you can change your font size. So I'll be giving it as a 50 pixel and semicolon. I'm using more property to it. Color as a red font, and the background color as pink. Save it, open your browser, refresh your page and see the result. Okay, now all the properties work. It is a 50 pixel, the text is 50 pixel, and the text color is of blue and its background is pink. So we have seen styling property, styling tag, how to use a style tag and how to give properties. So we have seen font size and color property and background color property. Okay, so in next video we will see some more text. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to like the video and press the bell icon to get the latest updates and subscribe my channel.